Good morning, students. I'm your chemistry teacher Swati, and this is part 5 of redox chapter. In this video, I'm going to discuss the ion electron method by which you will balance the redox reaction. So, in this type of method, you have to consider first of all the species which is undergoing the change. Suppose this is the species that is reducing here, and this is oxidizing. So, you have to first of all detect the species which is undergoing oxidation as well as reduction. So you can do this by calculating the oxidation number or just by looking at the number of hydrogens or the oxygen, whether it is changing or decreasing or increasing. Fine, by the idea you can judge. So we have already judged that the chlorine is going reduction and your H2O2 oxygen is going the oxidation. So I'm basically writing the oxidation half reaction. Now you have to write half oxidation reaction. So I'm considering the half oxidation reaction first, which is H2O2 gives you O2. Fine. Now you can see here two hydrogens are there. There is no hydrogen. To balance the hydrogen, I'm added 2H positive air ion, and now hydrogens are balanced, and to balance the charge I have added 2 electrons here. So here charge is again balanced because I have written the 2 electrons here. Fine. So positive negative will be cancelled out, so it is neutral now. Next, secondly, I am considering the reduction half reaction. First I am considering half oxidation reaction. I am considering the reduction half reaction or the half reduction reaction, जैसे भी आपको लिखना. So next is Cl2O7. Cl2O7 gives you ClO2 negative, and you can see I have to balance the chlorine atoms. Here 2 chlorine, here is 1 chlorine, so multiply it by 2. Now oxygens, you can see 7 oxygens. There are 4 oxygen. To the left hand side there are 7, and to the right hand side there are 4 oxygen. To balance the number of oxygens I have added 3 water molecules. Oxygens are equal now. Now you have to equalize the number of hydrogen ions. You have to add 6H positive here. Fine. And to balance the charge you will have to look, see this is 6H positive, there are 2 negative. To make it equalize you can just add 8 electrons to the left hand side. Now your electrons, you can see your charges are equal, 2 negative and the 2 negative. So both reactions are balanced now, reduction half as well as the oxidation half. But now you have to add these two equations, but before adding these two equations you have to make sure that your electrons are equal. To the half oxidation reaction there are 2 electrons. To the reduction half reaction there are 8 electrons. To balance the electrons you have to multiply the equations by some number so that it become equal. So you have to multiply this equation by 4. If you multiply this equation by 4, your number of electrons will be equal to 8 and it will be equal, and then you can add these equations. So it will become 4H2O2, 4O2, this will be 8H positive, and this will be 8 electrons. Now add these two equations just like the mathematical algebra. Fine. और mathematical equations like x y z जैसे भी आप ऐड करते हैं. So this 8 electron, this 8 electron will be cancelled out because these are on the opposite side and same number. So जिस भी साइड ये जाएंगे माइनस होकर सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. Fine. And you can see 8H positive, 6H positive. Now it will be again cancelled out, and here will be remain 2H positive ions. तो 8 में से 6 गया, 2 रह गए, तो 2 पॉजिटिव आयंस आपके H पॉजिटिव कहाँ रह जाएंगे, जहाँ पे बड़ा नंबर प्रेजेंट है. यानी कि 8H पॉजिटिव अगर आपके राइट हैंड साइड पे हैं तो 6 उधर जाके ये 2H पॉजिटिव रह देंगे. तो अब आप सिंपल इसको ऐड कर सकते हैं. नाउ सिंपल यू कैन ऐड दीज टू इक्वेशंस. इफ़ यू ऐड दीज टू इक्वेशन द आंसर विल बी 4H2O2. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाली टर्म्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, Cl2O7, एंड राइट हैंड साइड वाली राइट हैंड साइड. एनी अदर? नो सच अदर. Next is 4O2, 2H positive, and this 2 Cl2 negative, plus 3 water. You can see your reaction is balanced now if you calculate the number of oxygens. So here 8 and 7, 15, and 8, 4, 3, 15, 7, 15. Hydrogens are 8 positive, 8 hydrogens are there, and again here again 8 hydrogens are there, and obviously it is balanced now. If you look at the charge, again it is balanced. To the right hand side it is neutral, 2 positive, 2 negative, and to the left hand side again it is neutral. So this is the reaction which is balanced in the acidic medium. Fine. And next reaction I'm going to discuss is in the basic medium. So let's discuss in the basic medium also. See now the next reaction which I'm going to discuss in the basic medium is this. MnO4 negative plus iodide ion gives you MnO2 plus I2 in basic medium. So I'm going to discuss this reaction only in the basic medium. So I'm writing the equation here. it is MnO4 negative plus I negative is giving you MnO2 plus I2. Again you have to identify whether which species is undergoing change, oxidation or the reduction. So here there is a reduction and here there is an oxidation. Fine, so I'm considering the half oxidation reaction. So it is I negative to I2. First of all, balance the number of iodine atoms. You have to multiply it by 2, and number of negative charge or the charges you have to maintain it. To the left hand side it is 2 negative, to the right hand side you have to add 2 electrons so that the charge will become equal. Now the next is the half oxidation, half reduction reaction. To the half reduction reaction, the species we have considered is this MnO4 negative to MnO2. Now the oxygens are not balanced, but manganese is balanced. To balance the oxygen, I have added 2 water here, so that 2 oxygen will make the 4 oxygen, which is equal to the left hand side. Now the 4 H positive ions you have to add to the left hand side because there is no hydrogen atom, and to the right hand side there are 4. Now you have to balance the this negative charge belongs to the MnO4 negative. Now you have to balance the charge again. So to the right hand side there is no charge, to the left hand side there is 3 positive charge. To make the balance charges, I have added 3 electrons there. Fine, now the charges are balanced. Now 2 half reduction oxidation reactions are balanced, but before adding this equation you have to make the electrons equal. So the number you have to multiply it so that electrons become equal. You can multiply added equation by 3, it will become 6 electron, and this equation by 2, it will become the again 6 electrons. Now 6 electrons will be cancelled out, and then you can add the equation. So if you multiply by 3 this equation, it will become 6 I negative gives you 3I2 plus 6 electron. This is the equation which it will become like this. And to the next equation, if you add 2, it will become 2 MnO4 negative plus 8H positive plus 6 electrons, giving you MnO2 plus 4 water molecules. Now you have to add this equation. If you add this equation, left hand side पे left hand side वाली term जाएगी, and right hand side पे right hand side वाली term. So 6I negative as it is plus 2 MnO4 negative as it is. The 6 electrons will be cancelled out because it is left hand side and this is right hand side. Now the next will be, this is 8H positive gives you right hand side terms, you can see 3I2 plus 2 MnO2 plus 4 water. Now your equation is balanced. If you look at the number of iodine atoms, manganese atoms, or if you look at the oxygen atoms, everything is balanced. See, there are 6 iodine atoms, left hand side and the right hand side, 2 manganese atom, right hand side and the left hand side, and if you count the number of oxygen, 8 to the left hand side and 8 to the right hand side. Similarly, your hydrogens are balanced, 8H positive to the left hand side and 8 hydrogens to the right hand side. Again the charge is balanced. 6 negative and 2 negative will be 8 negative, and plus 8 positive charges there, it will be 0. So here the reaction is balanced. So this is the an electron method by which you can also balance the reaction. This is little bit lengthy, but that is bit easier than the oxidation number method. So this is the 5th part of this chapter. You can also try another reactions like this at your home. Like you can try this reaction in acidic medium by ion electron method. You can try this reaction by acidic medium by electron method, this reaction by ion electron method. All these are easy to solve. Similarly, you can consider this reaction in the basic medium. It is in the basic medium, again in the basic medium. One reaction I have left with the basic medium. What is this? Suppose if you are asked that balance this reaction in basic medium, fine. So what you have to do, you have to add the OH negative ions. I have balanced this reaction in the acidic medium, but if it asks the balance this reaction, sorry, I have balanced this reaction in the acidic medium, but if it is asked to balance this reaction in the basic medium, then how you will balance it? The method is same, but the thing is you have to add the, now see, the step which is vary is here. This is the step जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा change आएगा. आप देख सकते हैं। जैसे कि आपने यहाँ पे क्या ऐड किया, 4H पॉजिटिव ऐड किया हाइड्रोजन को बैलेंस करने के लिए, बट बिकॉज आई एम कंसिडरिंग कि दिस इज़ द बेसिक मीडियम, बिकॉज ऊपर इक्वेशन में भी मेंशन है कि बेसिक मीडियम में यू हैव टू बैलेंस इट। सो बेसिक मीडियम में बैलेंस करने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, सबसे पहले तो आप यहाँ से 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन हटाएं, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन हम बाद में ऐड करेंगे। एंड दिस आई एम जस्ट रिमूविंग इट, आई एम जस्ट रबिंग दिस इक्वेशन। सो आपको क्या करना है, बिकॉज बेसिक में गिवन है, ये तो एसिडिक हो गया, तो अब इसको बेसिक बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे, जितने H पॉजिटिव आयंस आपने ऐड किए हैं उतने ही OH नेगेटिव दोनों साइड ऐड कर देंगे। जैसे कि सपोज यू हैव एडेड 4H पॉजिटिव आयंस हेयर, सो ऐड 4 OH नेगेटिव टू द राइट हैंड साइड, अगेन 4 OH नेगेटिव टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. This is the method. Now MnO4 negative. Now 4H positive 4OH negative will make a water, it will be 4H2O, and next it will be MnO2 plus 2H2O plus 4OH negative. Now you can see 2 water and 4 water, so it will be cancelled out, it will be only 2H2O. So now this is the balanced equation. But now look at the charges. Here 1 negative charge and here 3 negative charge. To balance the charge, here you have to add the 3 electron. Fine. Now this is balanced. It is in the basic medium. This is the balanced equation. And the next equation will be same, because वहाँ पे कहीं भी H पॉजिटिव आपने ऐड नहीं किया है, वो एज इट इज़ हो जाएगा आपका. सो अगर आप ऐड करना चाहें तो यहाँ पे इस तरीके से एडिशन होगी. 6I नेगेटिव, योर आयोडीन वाली इक्वेशन विल रिमेन सेम, एंड यू कैन सी 2 MnO4 नेगेटिव. yes, it will be multiplied by 2 because 3 electron is there. बैलेंस करने के लिए हमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई, 4 water molecules, here 6 electrons, here 2, here again 4 watt. ये तो बैलेंस हो ही गया ना हमारा, 4 water वहाँ पे आ गया. फिर भी 8 OH नेगेटिव. सो यहाँ पे स्पीशीज इस तरीके से चेंज हो जाएगी. अब 8H पॉजिटिव की जगह यहाँ पे आ जाएगा वाटर, एंड यहाँ पे आपका 4H2O की जगह आ जाएगा 8 OH नेगेटिव. This is the 4 water. Fine. So your species is balanced now. So this is your balanced chemical equation in the basic medium. What I have did, कुछ भी नहीं किया, बस मैंने जितने H पॉजिटिव डाले थे उतने ही मैंने OH नेगेटिव आयन ऐड कर दिए टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एज वेल एज राइट हैंड साइड. देन आई हैव एडेड इट. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा चेंज ये आ गया कि इक्वेशन में अब लास्ट में क्या बचेगा, OH नेगेटिव. सो आप इसे ट्राई करें खुद से. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है तो मुझसे आप पर्सनली पूछ सकते हैं. What I have did here, so here you can see hydrogens are balanced, your negative charge is also balanced, 8 negative, 8 negative, manganese, everything is balanced here, but medium I have changed, that is the basic medium. So try it yourself in your notebook with yourself. Fine. The practice will make you perfect in this balancing of redox reaction.